Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is ornaments, gold rings and box. If you look at ornaments and gold rings, some of the ornaments may be gold rings. So therefore, I will represent these two by two circles such that one should overlap with the other. Okay, like this. This indicates some of the ornaments may be gold rings. Now, if you consider box is totally different from ornaments and gold rings. Therefore, I will represent box with one more circle separately. Okay, that is like this. Okay. Now, when you compare our diagram with the given Venn diagrams, the diagram C matches with our result. Therefore, let us check the given options, friends. Option 1 is B, option 2 is C, which is the right option. We will see some more number of problems.